Hey there. Have you ever faced the frustrating issue of Messenger not sending photos? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll guide you through some simple steps to fix this problem. Let's start by looking at some common reasons why your photos might not be sending. It could be anything from a poor internet connection to app permissions. Let's break it down. First things first, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Open the App Store and check for updates. Running an outdated version can often lead to issues. If updating didn't help, try clearing the cache and data for the Messenger app. Go to your phone's settings, find Messenger, and clear its cache. Also, make sure Messenger has all the necessary permissions. Head to your app settings and check if it can access your photos. Sometimes, the problem might be the photo itself. Try sending different formats or sizes to see if that makes a difference. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the Messenger app. This can often resolve underlying issues. For persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Facebook support. They may have specific solutions for your problem. And there you have it, a quick recap of how to troubleshoot Messenger photo sending issues. I hope these steps help you out.